Now let's talk about really one of the most powerful things you can do is cross-selling your other listings. It's also a very easy thing to do, yet most eBay sellers are not doing this. You want to add a link to your listings within each and every listing. This way, every listing you put up automatically promotes all your other listings that you have up on eBay. This is like setting up dozens or hundreds of billboards on eBay. Like, let's say that you have 100 listings up in a week. What you want is you want each of those listings advertising all your other listings, right? Now, since people will land on one of your listings through a search, but they may not think to check out all your other listings, you're actually helping them shop your stuff, and you're even encouraging multiple sales from the same customers. So let me go through another demo video and walk you through how we do this. Okay, so I'm going to be narrating this video again. Let me click the play button here. And as you'll see, we're going to put our description here. And you want to make, the description according to our description hacks that we talked about. And of course, this is just an example. But here, below your description, this is where you're going to want to put your link to all your other listings. This is where you want to cross-sell. So here's what you do. You put the statement that you want to be clickable right here. Okay? So let's just say that you're selling a bunch of vintage phones on eBay. I'm pausing the video right there. And this is one of them, but you've got maybe 100 vintage phones on eBay, right? So you put your statement here in plain text. Click here to check out all my other vintage phones on eBay today. Okay? I'll let the video run. Then you go up here to where it says, I want to bold that. So I want to bold it and make it bigger. Sometimes you'll want to do that. And that's important because you want to add emphasis to your cross-selling statement, your cross-selling call to action. See, not everybody that comes to your listing is going to buy your item, but they might click here and check out all your other items, and they might buy something else. Or they may buy this item and also want to check out what else you have for sale. So it's just a great upselling and cross-selling opportunity. So what you do now is you go over here to where it says Inserts. And you click on that little drop-down menu and click on Seller's Other Items. Okay? When you do that, it's going to automatically input this phrase, check out my other items, and it's going to automatically make these two words clickable. Okay? Now, if your description box doesn't have this inserts page, then go over here to where it says add or remove options, and you may be able to add it that way as well. All right, now here's what we're going to do. Let me go ahead and play the video again. You want to be in the standard pane, not the HTML, so that's what I'm showing there. And what you want to do is you want to take your phrase that you liked, copy it, and put it in between the two hyperlinked words. These are two words that are linked, right? Because they have blue text and they're underlined. And paste it right there in the middle. Paste that phrase right in the middle. Okay, so now you can see that the phrase was pasted in between the words other and the words items. Okay, but you'll also see that your phrase is now hyperlinked. It's blue and it's underlined, which means it's clickable. So now just get rid of all the other words, including the last word items. And now you've got a clickable, hyperlinked, bold print call to action to check out all your other vintage phones on eBay today. This is how you cross-sell, because by doing this, now you've got a great way to link to all your other listings on eBay. And especially if you're doing a lot of listings, it's a very powerful way to go. So that's how you add a cross-selling feature to all of your descriptions on all of your listings on eBay.